Today we are going to cover data validation. It's very helpful. I use it a lot, especially when you want to create a list or only limit people's options to certain criteria. So I'll show you how I can cover it, and I'll also show you how to delete it. So, right here, this is a previous file I created, but we'll walk through it. So we're going to go to data validation, and we're going to create a list. So this is, like I said, this is great if you don't want people to have too many options. So we're going to highlight everything in N2 to N11. So this is the range. And you can see here, boom, that's our list. So let's say, we do not care about plants or childcare, but, we can go in here and you can see that renters insurance and childcare and plants disappeared. So, all right. And now let's say you get a file and you want to get rid of it, this data validation, or you want to, change the file in a completely different direction. We go into the range and we select clear all. And now you'll see that that data validation button is no longer there. So, yep, that's data validation for you, and I hope it helps.